Oh no, today is bad. I feel very nervous. My head feels full, but I have no words. My notebook is empty. I don't know what to write. The clock is moving so slowly. Time is not helping me. What if the teacher asks me? I don't want to make mistakes. My phone has a message. Is it from Ashley? Think, Tom, think. Yesterday. The sun is bright. But I still feel worried. Why is English so hard? I studied, but I still forget. My backpack is ready. But my mind is not ready. Someone is knocking. Who is at the door? Good morning, Tom. You look very nervous. Ashley, you're here. I'm really happy to see you.
Let's sit down and practice. We still have time.
Thank you for helping me.
Of course, you are not alone. We will talk about yesterday. It is easier than you think.
Really? I'm afraid I will say it wrong.
That's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
All right, I'm ready. Please teach me slowly.
Look at the notebook. We start with something simple.
Okay. I feel a little better now.
Today, I am here. Yesterday, I was here.
Am becomes was. I can remember that.
Today, you are nervous. Yesterday, you were nervous too.
Are becomes were. That sounds easy.
Past tense helps tell a story. It makes time clear.
So yesterday means past tense. I understand. Yesterday is past. Past tense is important.
Great job, Tom. You're learning fast.
I feel more relaxed now. Let's continue.
Now, regular verbs are easy. We add ed.
Play becomes played. Walk becomes walked.
Exactly. You are doing well.
Yesterday, I walked to school. I like this rule.
Turn the page. Let's practice more.
Yesterday, I cooked dinner. Cooked with ed.
Perfect. Your sentence is clear.
This is not so scary now. I feel more confident.
See. You can do it.
Yes. I really can.
Now, some verbs are special. They change form.
Oh. These look different.
Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate.
I like eat and ate. That one is easy.
See becomes saw. You must remember it.
No ed. Just remember the word.
Yes. Practice helps memory. Very good sentences. You're improving.
Let's use them in a story. About yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning, I went to your dorm. It was early.
I was sleeping. I didn't hear you at first.
Then I called your name. Tom, wake up.
I opened my eyes slowly. I felt very tired. Yes. We laughed together.
I brought breakfast. I made sandwiches.
They looked really good. I was hungry.
I put the sandwich on the plate. I gave one to you.
I drank some juice. It was cold and nice.
We sat together. We ate slowly.
I ate everything. I felt happy.
I drank juice too. It was refreshing.
The plates were empty. That means good food.
You looked more awake. That was good.
After breakfast, you packed your bag. I watched you.
Then we stood up. We were ready to go.
We opened the door. A new day started. I put on my jacket. I felt ready.
I waited for you. I was not in a hurry.
We stepped outside together. The weather was nice.
The sun was bright. It was a good morning.
We walked side by side. I felt calm.
You talked more. That made me happy.
I was not so shy. I felt confident.
That's because you practiced. Practice works.
Now I can talk about yesterday. Thank you, Ashley.
You're welcome, Tom. You are ready now.